I ran into this last week here as well, fixed it for me. If you're looking to enable alerts on your Barclays online account, follow these steps to set it up easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Barclays website and enter your login credentials to access your online banking account. Step 2. Navigate to Alert Settings. Once logged in, find the Account Settings or Preferences section, usually located in the main menu. Step 3. Select Alert Types. In the Alerts section, you will see various types of alerts you can enable, such as transaction alerts, bounce alerts, and payment reminders. Choose the ones you want. Step 4. Customize Alert Preferences. For each selected alert type, customize your preferences, including how you want to receive them: email, SMS, or app notifications, and the frequency. Step 5. Save your settings. After customizing your alerts, make sure to save your settings. Look for a Save or Confirm button at the bottom of the page. Remember, if you miss the Save button, your changes won't take effect and you might not receive the alerts you set up. Happy banking!